Hello students of class 10. In this video I will give some important SAQ from the chapter Atmosphere and Waste Management. That these two chapters and other two chapters are also there in your pre-test pre-annual examination, upcoming examination. So let's start. First, in the first video I will give the chapter Atmosphere and in the next chapter the Waste Management. So one by one I am discussing the questions and answer. The first is the western disturbance. What is western disturbance? The disturbance that arrives India from the western part of the country is called western disturbance, that enters India from northwestern part of India, that is from Punjab side, from the Mediterranean Ocean, and it causes winter rainfall. Okay. Now next is advection. Advection is change in the property of moving mass of air because the mass is transported by the wind to a region where the property has different value. This is the second question. Now question number 3. Question number 3. What do you mean by tropopause? Tropopause means the medial layer between the troposphere and the stratosphere, where the temperature neither increases nor decreases, is called tropopause. Why the coast of Tamil Nadu region receives winter rainfall? Tamil Nadu coast receives winter rainfall, one from normal southwest monsoon during summer season and one from the retreating northwest monsoon during the winter season. So Tamil Nadu coast receives winter rainfall. What is albedo? Albedo is the amount of solar radiation that is lost, that is reflected back to the earth without hitting the atmosphere. Why burst of monsoon occurs? When the southwest monsoon winds enters from the ocean, it approaches towards the Indian land masses and it first strikes the Coromandel coast and causes maximum rainfall there, and it is called burst of monsoon. Next, what is the speed of the jet stream? The speed of the jet stream is about, wait, this one I have to check once. Speed of the jet stream is few thousand kilometer speed. Wind speed is 480 kilometer per hour. The speed of the jet stream is 480 kilometer per hour. Next, where is Chinook? What is the speed of the jet stream done? Where is Chinook found? Chinook is a warm wind around the leeward side of the eastern slope of the Rocky Mountain. Next, what is retreating monsoon? Retreating monsoon means when the monsoon retreats back from India and from the landmass, it retreats back. It is called retreating monsoon. Define El Nino. El Nino is the feminine and name the opposite phenomenon of El Nino. The opposite phenomenon of El Nino is La Nina. I think you know. And what is El Nino? El Nino is unusually warm, nutrient poor water of the northern Peruvian equator that typically appears in late December. What is mango shower? Mango shower is a local wind of South India. It is called mango shower. Inversion of temperature, temperature decreases at a rate of 6.5 degrees Celsius for every 1000 meter or 1 kilometer of ascent. This is called inversion of temperature. Why does low pressure prevails in the rainy season? This is also very easy from childhood. You write down. Achha, why is Mediterranean region called basket of fruit? Because in the Mediterranean region, the bright sunny weather of the Mediterranean region helps in ripening of the fruits. So it is called basket of fruit. Helps in. Next, why are winter nights of Kolkata warmer than Delhi? here you have to say about the temperature change. What type of wind is termed as doctor? Harmattan is called doctor. Which cloud is responsible for heavy rain? Cumulonimbus clouds. What is hydrological cycle or water cycle? I think all of you know. Name the instrument used for measuring air pressure. Air pressure barometer. Wind speed. Wind speed is measured by anemometer. Why does the orographic rainfall occurs in Western Ghats? Orographic rainfall occurs in Western Ghats because the Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon strikes the Western Ghats region and causes orographic rainfall. The word Oro means mountain, so it's take place because of the mountain barrier. Next, what do you mean by the range of temperature? Range of temperature means the maximum differences between maximum and minimum temperature. What are the influence of global warming on low-lying areas? Low-lying areas are the submargins of the low-lying areas. What is relative humidity? Relative humidity is the amount of water vapor present in the air. Minus means ratio between the amount of water vapor present in the air to the amount of the air can contain into 100. It is always expressed in percentage. What is aerosols? Aerosols is the dust particles that remain suspended in the air. What is normal lapse rate? This is also same. Difference between troposphere and stratosphere, temperature, then altitude wise you have to write. Insolation means incoming solar radiation. Name some greenhouse gas. Carbon dioxide, CFC, carbon monoxide. What are trade winds? Trade winds are the winds that blows from subtropical high pressure to equatorial low pressure air belt in both the hemisphere. There are two types of trade wind, northeast trade wind and southeast trade wind. Why are westerlies more speedy in the southern hemisphere? Because of the presence of wide open ocean. Define eye of a cyclone. The eye of a cyclone means the center of the low pressure. The center of the cyclone where low pressure prevails is called the eye of a cyclone. What is Lu and Andhi? Lu is they both are local wind. Lu in northwestern India. It is a warm wind during summer, and Andhi is also a warm wind. It is in the Rajasthan desert. It is a sandy wind. What is Fawn? Fawn is also a local wind. Fawn is found. Fawn is a local wind. Fawn is also a local wind. And Sirocco and Fawn. Next is the difference between weather and climate. Weather and climate means weather is of particular place. Climate refers to a huge area. Weather particular time. Climate refers to a wide area. Large means long period of time, at least 35 years. Next, what is Sirocco? Sirocco is a hot wind of the Mediterranean region. Sirocco is the hot wind of the Mediterranean region. Next, difference between temperate cyclone and tropical cyclone. This also very easy. Easy means it is given, I think, in your PDF. First, tropical temperate cyclone found in the temperate region, tropical cyclone in the tropical region, and the velocity you can write. Next, which unit is used to measure cloud cover? Octa. OKTA. What is dew point? The temperature at which the air becomes completely saturated is called dew point. And occlusion is the front where the warm front and the cold front completely mixed with each other. Isoheight is a region, imaginary line drawn on the map joining the places having same amount of rainfall. What is smog? Smog means smoke plus fog. When smoke mixed up with the fog, and it causes huge visibility problem, visibility problem, it is called smog. Which instrument is used to measure humidity? Hygrometer. What is rain shadow area? Rain shadow area means the part of the mountain, the windward side of the mountain receive maximum rainfall, whereas the leeward side of the mountain does not receive rainfall, because after causing maximum rainfall in the windward side, the leeward side, when the wind goes there in the leeward side, the moisture holding capacity is very less, so it cannot causes any rainfall, so it is called the windward rain shadow region. In India, the rain shadow region example is the western part of Western Ghats. Next, write two characteristics of the following climate. Mediterranean climate. First, you will write the latitudinal extension or bright sunny weather you can write, and it winter rainfall. Equatorial region, 200 centimeter of rainfall. There is no change of season. Tundra climate, temperature is very low throughout the year. Temperature is very low. 9 months winter and 3 months summer season. Okay. Now, question number 49. Define precipitation. Precipitation is the precipitation means throwing down of moisture from the atmosphere to the earth's surface. Precipitation may be in any form. It may be rainfall, snowfall, hail, mist, etc. Why are rain shadow areas created on the leeward side of the mountain? Just now discussed, because after causing maximum rainfall in the windward side, when the wind moves towards the leeward side of the mountain, the moisture holding capacity is less. The wind cannot the causes any rainfall in the opposite side, that is in the leeward side. So rain shadow area is formed in the leeward side of the mountain. So this is a 50 answer. Students, please write down all the 50 question and answer one by one in your classwork copy, and so that you can prepare well for your upcoming examination. 50 SAQ type question given. From here you can get MCQ also. Some MCQs answer you can get also here. So please write down in your classwork copy question answer. Not only the question plus answer also discussed. So question answer in this way write down. In the part 2 of the SAQ video, I will discuss the chapter waste management. Thank you, class.